Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your name and username on the Parler app. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or the Android because the process is pretty much the same. Alright, so first of course open Parler app and then you need to click on your profile icon that is on the top left and then click on profile and you should end up on this page. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to click on little gear icon that is on the top right. And here you can change your name, the first option. So simply, if you want to, you can change the name and press submit on the top right. You can see here success. And if you want to change display name or the username, the same thing that you need to do here. You can change it right here. Press submit. And of course, it shows if this username is available. And as you can see here, that's how you can change your name and the username on the Parler app. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.